In this problem, we are given an array of variable pairs called equations and an array of real numbers called values, where each equation and value represent a mathematical relationship such as ai divided by bi equals values of I. Each variable is represented as a string. The task is to answer a series of queries where each query asks for the ratio between two variables. If the ratio cannot be determined, we return -1.0. To solve this problem efficiently, we use the union-find data structure, also known as disjoint set union or DSU. This structure helps manage and track the relationships between variables. The union-find algorithm is well suited for problems that involve grouping elements and determining if elements belong to the same group. The key operations in union-find are union and find, which help manage these groups dynamically and efficiently. We start by defining two unordered maps, P and ratio. The P map keeps track of the parent of each variable, helping us identify to which group or set a variable belongs. Initially, each variable is its own parent, meaning each variable starts in its own unique set. The ratio map tracks the ratio between each variable and its parent, which helps us calculate the relationship between variables when needed. This setup is crucial for maintaining and updating the relationships as we process the equations. For each variable pair in equations, we set each variable as its own parent and initialize the ratio of each variable to itself as 1.0. This sets up the initial state where every variable is in its own group and their self-ratio is unity. This initialization ensures that every variable can be correctly linked and their ratios accurately calculated as we process the equations. Next, we process each equation to unify the sets of the two involved variables and adjust their ratios accordingly. For each pair of variables, we use the find function to determine their respective parents. The find function not only finds the root parent of a variable, but also applies path compression, which flattens the structure of the union-find tree, making future queries more efficient. If the parents of the two variables are different, we merge the sets by making the parent of one variable point to the parent of the other. This union operation ensures that the two variables are now in the same group. We also adjust the ratio to ensure the mathematical relationship between the variables is maintained. The ratio adjustment involves multiplying the ratio of one variable by the given value and dividing it by the ratio of the other variable. This step ensures that the relationship encoded by the equation is correctly reflected in our data structure. The find function is a crucial part of this process. It uses path compression to make future queries more efficient. Path compression flattens the structure of the union-find tree, making each node point directly to the root of the tree. This reduces the time complexity of future find operations to nearly constant time. When path compression is performed, we also update the ratio to reflect the direct relationship with the root. This continuous updating ensures that the ratios remain accurate and consistent as we traverse and modify the tree structure. After processing all the equations, we move on to answering the queries. For each query, we check if both variables are present in the P map and if they belong to the same set. The presence check ensures that we only process queries involving variables we have seen in the equations. If both conditions are met, we calculate the ratio using the ratio map. If either condition is not met, the answer for that query is -1.0. This systematic approach ensures that we accurately determine the ratio between the variables when possible and correctly handle cases where the ratio cannot be determined. The solution's efficiency lies in the union-find structure, which provides near constant time complexity for union and find operations due to path compression. This allows us to handle even large inputs efficiently. The use of two unordered maps ensures that we can quickly look up and update the parent and ratio of any variable. This combination of efficiency and simplicity makes union-find an ideal choice for this problem. In conclusion, the calc equation function leverages the union-find data structure to manage the relationships between variables and compute the required ratios for the queries. By initializing the data structures, unifying sets according to the given equations, and evaluating each query, we can determine the correct results or return -1.0 if a ratio cannot be determined. This method is both efficient and robust, capable of handling complex queries based on variable relationships. The use of path compression ensures that the operations remain efficient, providing an optimal solution to the problem. Now, we need to test this code and make sure it works. Remember that you can test out your own ideas, and you're encouraged to test edge cases and try other implementations, as it can help you learn better and develop your problem-solving skills.